Hello and welcome to the January cosplay progress vlog. Most of this is pinned at the moment, but I've been working on an original design Halloween Princess Peach, so that's what this is on the dress form. I also got some packages in the mail containing cosplay supplies, so we have the gloves for Peach, as well as some combs that I'm going to use to attach to the crown, and some orange gems for her brooch and the crown as well, and some Baby Yoda ears. I hope these will fit. I hope they're not going to be too small and kid-sized, but we will find out. Speaking of Baby Yoda, I took this costume back out and have been working on it. All of the machine sewing is done. All that's left is some hand finishing on the inside and to sew on the snaps. I got another pattern in the mail, and that is the Simplicity 8489, the Snow White officially licensed pattern. I had ordered this from the Simplicity website back in September, but it was back ordered and they eventually canceled my order. So I found a replacement on eBay, and that came in the mail, but since it was hard to find, I am not going to be cutting it. I'm just going to be transferring it onto tissue paper. And for the fabric, I have some yellow for the skirt, blue for the top, blue for the sleeves. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep using this one, because as you can see, her sleeves are a bit of a darker blue. However, since this is such an old character, there are so many different variations of her color scheme, so really you could go with anything. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. I may still end up keeping this one. Some red lining for her cape, and then the fabric for her outer cape. It is now February, and since I really didn't make a whole lot in January, I figured that I would just combine the vlogs for the 2 months. But as you can see, I did make a bit of progress and finished Baby Yoda. I also finished the headband for Snow White, as well as ordered a phone holder. And I'm going to try filming with my phone for a little bit. The Snow White video will be the first video, and hopefully that will improve the production quality. I have been using this camera that I'm using right now for, well, since I started the channel 5 years ago, and it's starting to show its age a little bit, so hopefully the phone contraption will be a little bit better. For those of you who watched my Black Friday material haul, you may remember that I ordered some pink fabric from Fabric Wholesale Direct, and it arrived damaged. It had black spots throughout the length of the fabric. So I contacted them, and months later I finally got it resolved and they agreed to send replacement fabric. So this is the replacement fabric, and it still has spots on it. There's one here and there's one here. I think those are the, this section of fabric is the only part that has the spots. So between the two cuts I can hopefully finish the project that I wanted to make with it. But at this point it's not worth arguing with them over it, since I will hopefully have enough material. But since this was my first time ordering from them and just having such a hard time with the customer service, probably not going to order from them again, which is a shame because I've seen lots of other cosplayers use their materials, so I don't know if I'm just unlucky. If you've ordered from them in the past, let me know what your experience has been, because I'm really curious to hear that. Hopefully I'm just the exception, but I don't know, so let me know. It is now March, so I figured I would end this vlog with a bit of Snow White progress. I have the sleeves cut out and the appliques sewn onto them. Also, the edges have been serged. The bodice and bodice lining pieces have been cut out and stay stitched, and the darts sewn. For more cosplay videos, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.